In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund a PlayStation 5 game purchase. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly refund any purchase that you've made on your PlayStation 5. Keep in mind that there are going to be some limitations, but you will be able to check your eligibility easily. You have to do this process through the PlayStation website, so I highly recommend visiting a web browser on your computer or a laptop. If you don't have access to a PC, then you can use your phone. Open a web browser and go to PlayStation.com. In here, one of the options at the top is going to be support, so click on support and then once again go to the PlayStation support page, and now you will find PlayStation Store and refunds. This is where you will be able to check your eligibility and actually request a refund. So the third option is going to be refunds. You will have payments, purchases, and finally the option here. Once you go into refunds, you will find the options at the left. So you have cancel and manage purchases, and finally requesting a PlayStation Store refund. They have three main categories listed: games and add-ons, subscriptions, and pre-orders. So choose the one that your game falls into. Usually it is going to be either the first for most people or the second one if it is a pre-order. I'm going to click the first one as the example for this video. Full games, downloadable content, in-game consumables, and season passes fall under this category. After you purchase this type of content through the PlayStation Store, you have 14 days, aka 2 weeks from purchase to request a refund. If you have started to download or stream the purchased content, you will not be eligible for a refund unless the content is faulty. So keep that in mind. They are very strict. So click on the option request refund once more. They will go over the process again. And if you still want to do it, then contact the PlayStation support. So scroll down to the bottom to request a refund. Please contact us. You can also use our online assistant. So click on the button here and choose how you want to contact them. Depending on the time of day, more methods will be available. I hope I was able to help you on how to refund a PlayStation 5 game purchase. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.